What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the very first week at Supreme for the 2019 Spring Summer collection. And I know I keep doing this in all my videos, saying like thank you guys so much for all the support, but like truly thank you guys so much for all the support. Like we just hit 1,200 subscribers, which is honestly crazy, guys. We just hit 1,000 like a week or two ago, and now we're at 1.2. We're just growing like crazy, guys. Thank you guys so much for all the recent support. If I help you guys out in any way, or you just enjoy the video, please make sure to leave a like and check out some of my other videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's hop right into the video. So after about 2 months, Supreme has finally returned with the Spring Summer collection for 2019. Now this is the first week, so it actually is going to drop on a Monday at 11 AM EST on the Supreme New York website. There's not really much to say, guys. I'm just going to be going through the drop list, letting you guys know like what's going to have resale, what's not, and just my opinion on the item. I will try to make some bot setup videos for like Eve, Cyber, and Project Destroyer. Leave a comment down below if you want to see that, and let me know which bot I should do it for. And for all you guys asking me like what Supreme bot's going to be good this season, honestly I don't really know yet. The actual season hasn't started, so like we don't really know if it's going to be good or not. But I can tell you last season Trick was doing really good with the browser mode. But honestly, guys, I'd probably recommend you going manual for the first week, just because we don't really know what bots are going to do or what Supreme has changed. I will make a how to cop manually on Supreme video tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. I don't really know if I'm going to upload this video Saturday or Sunday. Depending on what day it is will depend on if that video is already out. I don't know why I just made that really hard. The manual checkout video is going to be up Sunday, the day before Supreme, because Supreme drops on a Monday, so it'll be out on the Sunday before, which is tomorrow, because I'm recording this on Saturday. So just be on the lookout for that. Without any further ado, let's just hop right into the drop list. So starting us out, we have these like floral skateboard things. They're coming in at a retail price of $50. It's actually $49. I don't really know why I said $50. It's $49. Now before the actual in-store release, I thought these were going to do pretty well, but unfortunately people have bricked the price down on StockX, so I'm going to have to classify these as a personal only, unfortunately. That goes for both colorways. They are a pretty cool piece, and I might consider buying the set just to put up on the wall behind me, because I think that would be pretty cool. Moving on, we have the Supreme Master Lock collab. This is just a really cool piece, but honestly there's not going to be any resale. With a retail price of $38 and $10 shipping, $50 for a Supreme lock is pretty expensive. And as we can see now in StockX, people have already dropped the price crazy low, so these won't have any resale, unfortunately. Next up, we have the Supreme Sig water bottle. This is coming in at a retail price of $40. And like the other pieces, this is going to be personal only. Unfortunately, people have already bricked the price down in StockX to just basically nothing. So this is going to be a personal only piece. With a retail price of $40, that's kind of steep for a water bottle. Personally, I want to be staying away from this. Next up, we have the Formula crew necks. Now, these are really clean in my opinion. Coming in at a retail price of $138, I see these having some pretty good resale. For the white kind of creamish colorway, I would probably place resale somewhere around $220 to $250. As we can see now on StockX, the white colorway is doing pretty well. As for the other colorways, I don't really know how well those are going to do. I can see them doing pretty well, but in terms of resale, I'd probably recommend you go for the cream colorway. Moving on, we have the new waist bags. Guys, these are bricks also. With a retail price of $88, resale is already at $120. So I mean, this is going to be a personal only piece. It's not a bad piece. I mean, I don't really know. I probably like last season's better, but it's not terrible. Next up, we have the Supreme Shatter Tee. Now this is a really cool personal piece in my opinion. I really like the design of it, but with a retail price of $88, it's not going to do very well in terms of resale. I would definitely say this is a personal only piece, unfortunately. Just because, as we can see right now on StockX, it's not doing very good at all. Next up, we have the Creeper Tee. Now, this is coming in at a retail price of $48, and I don't see this having any resale, unfortunately. It's already dipping down to like $80 on StockX, and after the online release, it's definitely going to drop even further. Next up, we have the Christopher Walken King of New York tee. Now, this is coming in at a retail price of $48, and I see resale being around $60 maybe, $60 to $70. Now, it's currently around $115 on StockX right now, and I could see it going down a lot more, but I'm not too sure, honestly. Next up, we have the dish towel set, coming in at a retail price of $38. I'm going to classify this piece as a personal only. It's a pretty dope piece, but in terms of resale, it's not going to do very well. Next up, we have the Bonded logo puffy jacket. Now, this is coming in at a retail price of $348, and because of this, I don't see it having very much resale, unfortunately. Now, prices aren't too bad on StockX right now. but I do think they're going to dip a pretty good amount after the online release. Now in the red colorway and the black colorway, I could see size small doing pretty good. You might be able to make like 50 to 100 bucks on it, but it's pretty risky for a retail price of $348. Next up we have the chenille hoodie. This is coming in at a retail price of $150. And honestly guys, I'm not too sure about this piece. I mean, I could see it having some pretty good resale just because it says Supreme on the front of it. And it's not doing too bad right now in StockX, but I'm just not too sure, honestly. I will have a doc link down in the description below for you guys, like going over every piece and the price and stuff that I will continue to update throughout the day, just so it's the most updated prices so you guys know what to look for right before the drop. Next up we have the Red Rum baseball jersey. Now this is a pretty sick piece in my opinion. Personally, I'm going to be going for this 100%. Like, I see this jersey having some pretty good resale value, and with a retail value of $148, I see resale being somewhere around $200. Now please keep in mind guys, not every size and colorway will sell for that, but I definitely see the size small and the white colorway selling for that. Like I said before, I'll be going over every single colorway and all that stuff down in the doc below, so make sure you check that out. Next up we have the Real Shit long sleeve tee. This is coming in at a retail price of $40, and I don't see this having any resale unfortunately. It's kind of a cool piece if you want it for personal, but I'm going to be staying away from it. Now guys, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be going through every single piece. I will have a doc link down in the description below going over every single piece releasing and the retail and resale values on them. So you can check down there for more information. Just because I don't want to make this video like 20 minutes long, I did go over the main pieces and the pieces I like the best. But chances are if I didn't go over in this video, it's probably not going to have resale value. But like I said before, definitely check down in the description below for a list of everything releasing. Now if I helped you guys out in any way in this video, please make sure to hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button for more content. I'll be going over every single week of Supreme and continuing to update you guys on the best bot and the best way to check out. So definitely subscribe if you have not already. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop and I'm out.
I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.